Is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Scale Garage. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to continue building this BMW Z4 by Tamiya ASMR style. In the previous episode, we completed the chassis and got the body painted in titanium gold with a gloss black roof. Well, I decided I want to do a carbon fiber hood, but it didn't turn out so well, so I decided to sand the entire body down and restart. Let's get into that. Moving over to respraying the body, I decided that I wanted to lay a base coat on it first. And to do this, I'm using Tamiya XF77 to get it done. I sprayed 3 coats on the body, making each coat heavier than the coat before. After putting what seems to be Nardo gray on the body, I decided that the final color was flat aluminum, Tamiya XF16. Just like the gray, I applied 3 coats of this as well. Flat aluminum, I decided that the roof should be painted black just because cars with black roofs seem to add like a nice accent. Did you think I was done with this body? Following the roof, the body needed one more thing. A clear coat from Tamiya. 3 coats and that's it. With the body being painted, I set it to the side to dry for a few days before touching it again. But with the body out the way, we can move over to the interior. Before the interior can be painted, a few of the pieces need to be cleaned up around the edges with some 800 grit sandpaper. With all the parts being prepped, we can now move over to painting, and to do this, I'm going to start with priming it using some Mr. Surfacer 1000. Have been primed, we can move over to painting specific colors, starting with satin black. piece is not being painted, we can move on to further detailing, starting with the cabin. A good way to add further detail to the cabin is by simulating carpet, and to do this, I'm using white glue and gunmetal embossing powder. All you have to do is lay the glue down and slowly sprinkle the powder on top of it. Then, spread it around and shake off the excess. Magic. With the carpet being done on the cabin, we can move on to detailing some of the other interior parts by adding some decals, extra colors, and metal stickers. With all the interior pieces being fully detailed, we can move on to assembly.